What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix slow download speed and connection issues with the Battle.net launcher. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Slow download and connection problems are usually caused by your own network connection, by the server you're connected to, or by software running on your system. First, I suggest closing apps that could use up your internet bandwidth. Open up your task manager. From here, navigate to the Performance section to access your resource monitor. In the Network section, expand your processes with network activity. It will take a second to load all tasks and services using up your network connection, and they will be sorted by their usage. Make sure to only end processes which you know won't break your operating system, such as your browser downloading files in the background, the Steam launcher, or an entertainment app such as Twitch. When this is done, I suggest changing your download region in the Blizzard launcher. In some cases, new games or updates can be slow in general because a lot of users are trying to download the update at the same time. Changing your download region can help in some cases. If the problem persists, then make sure that your network adapter driver is up to date. Open up your device manager. On this window, expand your network adapters. Right-click the one you are using and select Update Driver. If you are unsure which one you are using, then repeat this step with each one of them. Next, select Search automatically for drivers, and it will take a couple of seconds to make sure that your driver is up to date. When this is done, open up your Windows settings. Under System, click on Storage. It will take a second to load your storage information, and you can then make sure that you have enough available storage for the Battle.net download. Also, if you can, then I suggest installing the game to your SSD, as your HDD storage can be a bottleneck to your download speed. Your download will only be as fast as your drive can write new files. Changing the download location to your solid-state drive can help increase download speeds. Lastly, if nothing helps you out, then head back to your system settings. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and then run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter. This will take a moment to detect problems with your connection, and it might apply some settings to fix network-related issues on your PC. Lastly, restart your PC and make sure that only the necessary apps have permissions to open on boot. Some applications, such as Steam, will open up when you turn on your PC, and they will download and update games in the background when you least expect it. All of these steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.